I'm back with another raw or no edit video because there's a bunch of things I want to show you and talk about before the next video is coming out. One video I'm working right now is about thrift shopping. We went on a large outdoor thrift market and I was looking for an object that could be easily covered in my art, and I thought in a humongous thrift market it would be possible because I have not a sponsored video, but lovely people from China sent me these acrylic markers, brush markers, and I have to somehow showcase how it is to work with them. If you remember, the previous marker video was about the tiles that are I'm still posting videos on the street art tour, and this is another project. So, but as I understand the thrifting objects that I was filming with my phone, I need to do a bit of a voiceover for my viewers in the United States because most of the objects would be, you wouldn't understand what it is. I need like to make a little research and tell you about what exactly I'm showing you. But the final thing that I got are these almost like metal lunchboxes. I got 2 of them, and that's the thing that we're gonna be painting on. The second video I'm working on, and I wanted to show you the progress. I have unboxed the linocut press. Here it is, and we already filmed the whole video, and these are the original prints that I'm gonna send out to Anthony and to Omar, people who supported me and basically sponsored the press, and the good prints also will go up on my Etsy. I'm just showing you quickly what's in the series to come. This one is one of my favorites, is this one. I'm doing this for me, and I think they came out really cool. The same thing, some of them will go to my supporters and others will go on my Etsy shop, but to publish that video I need to make the listings, and I don't have time for that. The next thing I wanted to show you, I got a message. There is a package for me in the, how do you call it, in the parcel machine. So we're gonna get it in a few minutes, and I want to show you what's in it. So I'm started to write a blog, so if either Instagram, either YouTube, either one of those sites go away, get banned, I don't know, hacker attacks or something else, I wanted my work to be alive somewhere. So I quickly registered my domain name, mycreativedisorder.com, installed a WordPress site, which takes like 10 seconds, and started writing. And right now I'm trying to, when I post a video, after that I try and make a blog post out of it. And yesterday I posted about me making that graffiti wall, and I also made a blog post. And basically I just copied out screens from the video and turned it into text. So if someone somewhere will ever try to be looking for a little how-to or inspiration, what do you do, how do you do it, they can find my blog post and see how am I doing this. And of course there's an attached YouTube video. And from this, I don't know if it's ever useful, I'm making my Instagram post. But lately I'm thinking that making Instagram posts or Instagram reels or TikTok videos is the most things you should do less, because in all the years I'm on social media, and that's around since 2012 when Instagram was released for Android. I don't really see a big benefit of doing it, especially if you're an artist, because the space is so saturated and so attention grabbing, and if your artwork takes time, and if your artwork takes a lot of patience and a lot of work, you kind of cannot show it in 3 seconds or 10 seconds. I think the work loses its value, and the viewer thinks, oh, look at him, he did the painting in 20 seconds, when actually when I watch Lee's videos and he's showing his oil paintings, it's very, very long process. So I think the social media somehow takes away the value from the artwork. And I only do this like to show people or to steer people in the direction of my YouTube, just to show them, oh, there's something out there. And just because I have this visual material, then I can, the cameras are so good right now, you can take screenshots from your video and they basically work and they're good. I don't take separate pictures except for when I'm finished, then of course I take my phone and take a picture. But this is basically what I wanted to show you, how, come on, zoom in, how much time it takes to make a single post. It's like, this is a photo, this is a screenshot, then I write on my tablet some details so people can understand the context. There's something about outlines, and come watch this on YouTube, and it's fun to make them, but yeah, it takes a lot of time, and I don't think it's really, is it worth it? The same thing, I started to make a hat. You remember this one I made, stay curious, get inspired, creative, and somebody told me make a shorter one, and then I got even more creative because I wanted to make hats. Wait, I wanted to make a hat for myself, and you can see here, these are the finished versions. This is a trucker hat, this is a, I don't know what it is, but this one is in the mail, and this is a closed back structure cap. So, and for every hat cap there's a different design. This one is think less, create more. This one is don't hesitate, and this is just create, curious, inspired, creative, and this goes on the sides. And when I made this, I thought, oh, come on, this could be a good blog post or even a social media post. So I started working on it, and when you work on your own projects, you can be as creative as you want to. So I'm making these elaborate posts, like a little bit reminders to myself and reminders to others, and just where's my thought, like don't hesitate, create. Why? Because overthinking is the enemy of action, and don't wait for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist, and so on. And I kind of find it fun to work with typography, to work with images, to work like sketching something out with my tablet pen and just making a mess. And but at the end of the post, it's, I think, maybe just a little bit inspiring to someone who's like stuck or wants to do something. It's like, this is reassuring that do it, don't overthink it, just go out and do it. Now let's go and get my parcel, because I'm 99% convinced that it is my parcel with the new hat and the new t-shirt that has, it doesn't have printing on it, it has embroidery. So here is our parcel. Pin number. So the pin number is 447 789. Go. Yes, I think it's the right one. Nothing in there. Nope. This should be a proper unboxing, but as this is the raw edit video. This is basically a Patreon behind the scenes video. because I don't have the time, and there's no need to make this any more fancy, should I say. Yes, here's the hat. What's it called? No idea. And will it even look good on me? Zero idea. But the embroidery came out really nice. I was afraid that the small font wouldn't be readable. Don't hesitate, but it's really good. And on the back it says no rules. Don't hesitate, create, and there are no rules, so go out and do it. Maybe it sounds a little bit cheesy. Oh, it looks so dumb on me. Oh my god, I look so stupid. Well, then I guess this is gonna be some kind of a giveaway, but I need a bigger mirror. I cannot tell it from those car mirrors. And the second thing, oh my, I think I made it too big. The embroidery is quite big, yeah. That's why I always make these test runs, because on a computer screen everything looks a little bit different. But this is what I wanted. I wanted embroidery, curious, inspired, creative, the short version. And on the back there is a print with the long motto: stay curious, get inspired, be creative. And that's written with my hand. And the shirt, like right now it had to start to get sunny. Like, what the hell is going on? Heavy cotton, gilden, and it doesn't feel all that heavy. Also, this is an L size. I think this is an L size, yeah. Well, this is an L size, but it looks huge. I guess it's fine. It looks good. I was a bit scared that it's too big for me, but no, it's not too big. And the embroidery, I think, is a good size. It's a good size. So you can read it. Yeah. It's okay. Not bad. Because I don't like those silky shirts. I don't know why. But the hat is a disappointment. Somehow on the models on the webpage it looked okay. But here it looks stupid on me. At least I think it looks stupid. I have to get a bigger mirror, yeah, and check it out, because I somehow tried to match the colors and yeah, it looks weird. Maybe I'm just not used to it. Does it look weird? I don't know, but you get the idea. I'll order a different hat maybe next time, because I need a hat when there's a bad hair day and I have to film something. I'm usually wearing something that is not made by me, and I think that is kind of wrong, because we all here are creative people and we can make our own hats and t-shirts. Why the hell would we wear something with the giant Nike logo? Okay, that's basically it for me. That's what I wanted to show you behind the scenes, what's going on. There are a ton of videos that I need to make. I'm working on them. I wish I had more time. Damn, it's getting hot. I wish I had more time to spend on editing, but right now it's like 50-50. One day I'm working on my freelance graphic design projects, other day I'm working on videos. But with videos, it's and now it's too windy. Jesus, this weather. For making a video, it's not like chopping wood. You need to like get the mindset. You need to have a good how do you say it? You need to get in the right mood so the video would have the right mood. Because if you're anxious, you're angry, you're disappointed, you want to edit the video as fast as possible, and you don't care about like getting the best out of it. And when you're in good mood and you want to make something cool, you will work, and your mindset is completely different. The video may be a little bit longer, but it's more detailed on bringing out the positivity. So I cannot work every day on a video. I need to, like, I'm making a video. Like yesterday I made the video about the graffiti wall, and today I'm like, my energy has depleted. I needed to refill it and then come back like tomorrow and make another video. I cannot make 2 videos in a row. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but the creative juices need to be refilled. And right now I'm feeling empty and I have nothing more to give, as I made two social media posts, each about 10 images. I made a blog post today with images, and I'm trying to be as much as productive as I possibly can. The next video I think is gonna be either about the thrift shop, or either it's gonna be street art tour about Rovinj, where we left a bunch of stickers and we glued the tiled, and someone from Instagram reached out from me who traveled to Rovinj and saw my tile and sent me pictures. So it's still there, which is really nice to see and really nice to hear. And that was the whole point, to connect with people, to leave my art in random places around Europe for people to find it, and they do, and it's amazing. I didn't think it's gonna work, but that's me. I have to shut up now, and see you next one. Visit the blog, become a Patreon, even at the free trial version, because I'm posting the same blog content there. And of course this video will first go on Patreon. That's it from me, and see you in the next one.